Are you tired of feeling stuck, unfulfilled, and held back by limiting beliefs? Join me on a journey of transformation as we explore Think This, Not That, by Dr. Josh Axe. Discover how to redefine success, clarify your purpose, and cultivate a growth mindset. It's time to break through the barriers and become the greatest version of yourself. Remember, the power to change your life lies within your mind. Let's dive into the mind shifts that can propel you toward ultimate significance. Hello, and welcome back. Today we will discuss the book, Think This, Not That by Dr. Josh Axe, that delves into the mental barriers that often hinder personal growth and well-being. In this video we shall discuss about the book, the key concept, brief summary, key takeaways, and finally our review. So stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. We come up with book summary and review regularly about the books that might interest you. So let's dive in. Now let's discuss the key concept of the book. Think This, Not That by Dr. Josh Axe is a groundbreaking book that challenges us to shift our mindset towards a more positive and empowering perspective. Dr. Axe emphasizes the importance of mental wellness in achieving overall health and happiness. The book delves into the impact of our thoughts on our physical health, highlighting the mind-body connection and the power of positive thinking. Dr. Axe provides practical strategies for reprogramming our thoughts and beliefs to cultivate a healthier mindset. Now let's discuss about the author. This book is written by Dr. Josh Axe. Dr. Josh Axe is a multifaceted individual with a passion for health, wellness, and personal growth. As a doctor of natural medicine, chiropractor, and clinical nutritionist, he has dedicated his career to helping people achieve optimal well-being. Dr. Axe is a best-selling author, having penned several influential health books. His groundbreaking work includes titles like Eat Dirt, a book that explores how our modern lifestyle affects gut health and provides practical solutions to restore balance. Next is Ancient Remedies for Modern Life. In this book, Dr. Axe delves into ancient healing practices and their relevance in today's world. The recent book is Think This, Not That: 12 Mind Shifts to Break Through Limiting Beliefs and Become Who You Were Born to Be, a recent release where he shares transformative mind shifts to help individuals unlock their potential and lead fulfilling lives. Dr. Axe is not only a health expert but also an entrepreneur. He co-founded Ancient Nutrition, a company focused on providing high-quality supplements and natural health products. Additionally, he founded Draxi.com, one of the largest natural health websites globally. Through this platform, he educates millions of people about nutrition, wellness, and holistic living. Dr. Axe earned his doctorate from Palmer College and holds a Master of Science in Organizational Leadership from Johns Hopkins University. His expertise lies in combining natural medicine, chiropractic care, and nutrition to promote overall health and vitality. In summary, Dr. Josh Axe's contributions span across various domains, from writing impactful books to creating a digital health community. His mission is to empower individuals to take charge of their health and lead purposeful lives. Now, let's discuss brief summary of the book. Think This, Not That: 12 Mind Shifts to Break Through Limiting Beliefs and Become Who You Were Born to Be. In this insightful book, Dr. Axe delves into the top 12 mental barriers that often hinder people from realizing their full potential and becoming the best version of themselves. For each barrier, he contrasts it with a new empowering mindset, providing practical guidance for personal transformation. Let's delve into each of these mind shifts. Mind shift number 1. Clarify your purpose. Instead of drifting through life, gain clarity on your purpose. Understand your why, and let it guide your actions and decisions. Mind shift number 2. Focus on becoming. Success isn't just about accomplishments, it's about who you become along the way. Prioritize personal growth and character development. Mind shift number 3. Replace vices with virtues. Rather than being enslaved by negative habits, cultivate virtues that align with your values. Replace destructive behaviors with constructive ones. Mind shift number 4. Seek timeless wisdom. Move away from following popular opinion or fleeting trends. Tap into timeless wisdom that transcends the noise of the moment. Mind shift number 5. Visualize your strategy. Instead of moving through life unintentionally, visualize a strategic path toward your goals. Create a mental blueprint for success. Mind shift number 6. Embrace the journey. Shift your focus from the destination to the journey itself. Find joy and fulfillment in the process of growth and learning. Mind shift number 7. Shift from scarcity to abundance. Replace scarcity mindset with abundance mindset. Believe that there is enough for everyone, and opportunities are abundant. Mind shift number 8. Choose empowering beliefs. Challenge limiting beliefs and choose empowering ones. Your beliefs shape your reality, so consciously select those that serve you. Mind shift number 9. Practice gratitude daily. Cultivate gratitude as a daily practice. Acknowledge the blessings in your life and shift your perspective toward positivity. Mind shift number 10. Release the need for approval. Free yourself from seeking external validation. Trust your inner compass and make choices aligned with your values. Mind shift number 11. Embrace change and adaptability. Rather than fearing change, embrace it. Adaptability is a key skill for thriving in an ever-evolving world. Mind shift number 12. Live authentically. Be true to yourself. Authenticity means honoring your unique voice, values, and passions without conforming to external expectations. Remember, these mind shifts are not just theoretical concepts, they are actionable steps toward personal transformation. In today's fast-paced and dynamic world, these mindset shifts hold immense importance and can significantly benefit us. If you're interested in exploring more on this book, get it from the link given in the description below. Now let's discuss the key takeaways. One of the key takeaways from Think This Not That is the concept of reframing negative thinking patterns. Dr. Axe encourages readers to challenge their negative self-talk and replace it with affirming and empowering thoughts. Another important aspect of the book is the focus on gratitude and mindfulness. Dr. Axe stresses the importance of practicing gratitude daily and being present in the moment to enhance overall well-being. Conclusion: the secret to a life with greater meaning? You already have it in your head. That's where everything starts. If you've been holding erroneous beliefs about yourself, they've been keeping you imprisoned in a world of unrealized potential and unmet goals. The game changer, though, is that you may develop an entirely new perspective based on what is in fact true. Now it's time for review. Overall, Think This Not That is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their mindset and lead a more fulfilling life. By implementing the strategies outlined in the book, readers can transform their thinking habits and create positive change in all areas of their lives. Whether you want to enhance your physical health, improve your finances, nurture relationships, or elevate your career, these mind shifts serve as a roadmap for transforming your life. If you're ready to break free from limiting beliefs and unlock your true potential, Think This Not That is a valuable read. This book has 288 pages of wisdom and, presently, the book has 4.5-star rating and is available in both hard copy and Kindle edition. Check out the link in the description below to grab a copy. Thank you for watching our summary of Think This Not That by Dr. Josh Axe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book summaries and recommendations. See you in the next video.